Bitcoin money is a virtual resource that has become profoundly famous because of its quicker exchange time. Based on a similar agreement convention as the head computerized resource Bitcoin, BCH is a fork with a more intricate arrangement to increment block sizes, empowering quicker block conclusion. On the off chance that you are looking for an extensive aid on what's genuinely going on with Bitcoin money and what stages you can purchase Bitcoin money through, you have come to the perfect locations. While this rundown isn't comprehensive, these stages have been painstakingly surveyed and chosen and are the best agents you can purchase Bitcoin money through. A portion of the contemplations we put in our survey are ease of use, sensible charge structure, installment choices, security, and client care. What is Bitcoin money? This segment intends to demystify the incentive of this famous crypto resource and what it looks to accomplish. Anyway, what is Bitcoin money? Bitcoin money is like other crypto projects. How about we take a gander at the task and a big motivator for it? Initially established in a 2008 white paper by a mysterious gathering or individual named Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin proclaimed the start of the virtual cash time. The Bitcoin network empowers the exchange of significant worth in this manner, wiping out focal specialists like the banks or states and is sans oversight. Given the computerized resource's deflationary inclinations, Bitcoin is viewed as a type of advanced gold and is viewed as a preferable store of significant worth over items like gold. Nonetheless, there is a center part the first founder didn't factor in: versatility. With interests in blockchain innovation and digital currencies kicking in, more clients have joined the Bitcoin network. However, the POW agreement calculation have been hard and trusted to fulfill up with the need. This has seen exchanges on the organization slow despite the fact that security has stayed first class. Additionally, new blockchain ideas like interoperability are absent in the Bitcoin organization. Bitcoin money means to tackle one of these issues, and that is the versatility. It gets a piece specialized here, however, remain with us. The first Bitcoin block size is intended to require 1 megabyte of extra room. However, there have been converses with increment this result. Adding more data to an exchange or information could spike the block size, in this manner tending to versatility. Adaptability is the manner by which long it takes to approve exchanges on the Bitcoin organization. The Bitcoin block size expanded quickly, shooting up 1.305 megabytes in February 2019. This empowered the Bitcoin organization to average more than the 7 exchanges each second it at present brags. This saw improvement groups think of the possibility of SegWit, which will see them integrate SegWit innovation close by a higher block size. The fall flat places of this idea prompted the development of Bitcoin money in 2017. It works on a different blockchain stage, and the hard fork happened on block number 478,559. Bitcoin money works on a similar agreement calculation as the Bitcoin organization and utilizations the POW mining convention. The contrast between the two lies in the block size. While the more seasoned blockchain utilizes a proper 1 megabyte stockpiling size for information, BCH utilizes an incredible 8 megabytes as a component of its gigantic on-chain scaling approach. Nonetheless, this approach has not exactly separated it from the Bitcoin network, as it actually midpoints an exchange speed of 10 minutes. Nonetheless, while Bitcoin midpoints 7 TPS because of the bigger organization traffic, BCH midpoints 116 TPS. The bombed vision of Bitcoin money prompted a further parted or hard fork in 2018, and the new venture was named Bitcoin Satoshi Vision in respect to the first thought of Nakamoto. Bitcoin money has not quit expanding its block size and has a greatest stockpiling size of 32 megabytes. As per BitInfo outlines, BCH had a typical block size of 4.7105 megabytes at 2018. This galactic figure has since eased off, and the forked organization at present has a typical block size of 297 kilobytes as of August this year. Why purchase Bitcoin money? Bitcoin money investigation. Bitcoin money might in any case be a dark horse. However, the advanced resource has numerous things making it work. We organize a couple of those and show you why you ought to purchase Bitcoin money. Bitcoin money is deflationary by plan. Beside the versatility issue which the Bitcoin money blockchain plans to address, the convention is each piece another Bitcoin. This implies it has a hard cap cutoff of just 21 million BCH coins that will at any point be mined. Fundamental financial idea brings up that a scant item or resource is supposed to ascend with time. And with just 10% left over, Bitcoin money could see its worth triple from here on out. So in the event that you are looking for a store of significant worth that isn't excessively expensive, Bitcoin money ought to fit the charging. One more type of advanced gold. Following on the deflationary instrument of Bitcoin money is the store of significant worth idea. Bitcoin acquired crypto unmistakable quality following the view that it is a preferable store of significant worth over conventional wares like gold. This has generally determined institutional interest in the crypto space and earned reception for the benchmark crypto resource. Since Bitcoin money works under a similar reason, it is likewise an extraordinary store of significant worth in the long haul, and this can be something you can fence your assets against fiat degrading. With public banks printing billions to stem against the monetary effect of the worldwide pandemic, purchasing Bitcoin money can be a brilliant method for holding a huge lump of significant worth with the potential gain of expanding with time. Partial proprietorship. Little-cap cryptographic forms of money are to a great extent gobbled up more effectively than huge-cap computerized resources. With Bitcoin money going north of $800, a few financial backers are estimated out of claiming the computerized resource from the beginning. Be that as it may, there is as yet a method for claiming Bitcoin money without hacking up the entire total. With fragmentary speculation, you can claim a piece of the computerized resource without burning through every last cent. A couple of online dealers offer this help, and we suggest utilizing the eToro stage. The directed agent offers openness to any speculation vehicle with only $25 as the base worth. Is it worth purchasing Bitcoin money in 2023? Bitcoin money was once one of the champion entertainers in the crypto space. From late 2021 to mid-2022, the token exchanged at $200 by and large. Nonetheless, a significant part of the symbolic's footing was disintegrated after the appearance of 2022's bear market. The fall-flat places of this idea prompted the arrangement of Bitcoin money in 2017. It works on a different blockchain stage, and the hard fork happened on block number 478,559. Bitcoin money works on a similar agreement calculation as the Bitcoin organization and utilizations the PAL mining convention. The contrast between the two lies in the block size. While the more seasoned blockchain utilizes a decent 1 megabyte stockpiling size for information, BCH utilizes an incredible 8 megabytes as a feature of its gigantic on-chain scaling approach. Be that as it may, this approach has not exactly separated it from the Bitcoin network, as it actually midpoints an exchange speed of 10 minutes. Notwithstanding, while Bitcoin midpoints 7 TPS because of the bigger organization traffic, BCH midpoints 116 TPS. The bombed vision of Bitcoin money prompted a further parted or hard fork in 2018, and the new venture was named Bitcoin Satoshi Vision in respect to the first thought of Nakamoto. Bitcoin money has not quit expanding its block size and has a most extreme stockpiling size of 32 megabytes. As per BitInfo diagrams, BCH had a typical block size of 4.7105 megabytes at 2018. This cosmic figure has since eased off, and the forked organization as of now has a typical block size of 297 kilobytes as at August this year. How would you purchase Bitcoin money? There are north of 400 crypto trades and hundreds additional customary trades that proposition support for computerized resources like Bitcoin money. We prescribe utilizing eToro because of a mix of stage security and guideline, low expenses, and a social exchanging experience.